Have you ever started your Mercedes and noticed the MBUX screen freezing, responding slowly, or not turning on at all? Have you experienced random black screens, laggy menus, or commands that simply don't register? These issues are far more common than most owners realize, and the good news is that many of them are not hardware failures. They are software-related behaviors that can often be fixed at home without tools, coding, or a visit to the dealer. One of the biggest mistakes Mercedes owners make is assuming that every MBUX malfunction means something's broken. In reality, MBUX is a complex operating system that constantly manages navigation data, voice recognition, Bluetooth connections, background services, and over-the-air updates. When too many processes stack up, the system may freeze, slow down, or behave unpredictably. The most common MBUX errors include delayed touchscreen response, menus that take several seconds to load, sudden audio loss, and screens that stay black during startup. In many cases, these issues appear after a software update or after frequent short trips, where the system never fully shuts down. MBUX, like any modern infotainment system, needs proper restart cycles to clear temporary memory and reinitialize background processes. A key concept most owners don't understand is the difference between a temporary software glitch and a persistent system fault. Temporary glitches usually appear randomly and disappear after a proper restart. Persistent faults repeat consistently under the same conditions. Knowing this difference allows you to act correctly instead of guessing. One of the safest and most effective first actions is a controlled, soft reset. This is not the same as turning the car off and back on. A soft reset allows the infotainment system to restart without affecting vehicle settings or stored profiles. When done correctly, it clears temporary cache data and resolves many responsiveness issues instantly. Another critical factor is how MBUX handles background connectivity. Bluetooth devices, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and cloud-based services constantly compete for system resources. When these connections are poorly managed, the entire system can slow down. Many drivers unknowingly overload MBUX by keeping multiple devices paired and active at the same time. At this point, you might be wondering if these issues can truly be solved without professional tools. The answer is yes, for a large percentage of cases. In this episode, we're focusing only on fixes that you can safely apply yourself without risking warranty issues or causing system instability. After about 300 words into this episode, remember this: if you want to avoid unnecessary dealer visits and learn how to keep your Mercedes running smoothly, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Every episode in this series is designed to save you time, money, and frustration. In the next part, we'll move deeper into performance-related MBUX problems and explain why lag and slow menus are often caused by settings you didn't even know existed.
One of the most frustrating MBUX problems is performance degradation over time. What starts as a fast and fluid system can slowly become sluggish, unresponsive, or inconsistent. Owners often describe this as input delay, where the screen reacts seconds after being touched, or menus that feel heavy and slow. This behavior is rarely caused by failing hardware. Instead, it is usually linked to how MBUX manages memory and background services. MBUX continuously stores temporary data to improve responsiveness. navigation history, voice command logs, recently accessed apps, and connected devices all contribute to this cache. Over time, this temporary data grows and can slow the system down. Unlike smartphones, MBUX does not always automatically clear cache in an optimal way, especially if the car is frequently driven on short trips. Another overlooked cause of lag is excessive animation and transition effects. While these features make the interface look modern, they also consume processing power. In certain driving modes or profile configurations, MBUX prioritizes visual smoothness over speed, which can create the perception of poor performance. Audio-related delays are another common symptom. Volume changes that respond late, audio sources that take too long to switch, or sound that cuts out briefly, are often signs that the system is struggling to manage multiple tasks simultaneously. This is especially noticeable when navigation, phone calls, and media playback are active at the same time. A simple but effective fix involves reorganizing how MBUX starts its services. When the vehicle is started and immediately put into drive, the system may not complete its initialization sequence. Allowing a brief moment for MBUX to fully load before interacting with it can reduce startup lag significantly. This habit alone improves stability for many drivers. Another important adjustment is limiting automatic background connections. Wireless smartphone integration is convenient, but it continuously scans and negotiates connections. In some cases, switching to a wired connection or disabling unused integrations can dramatically improve responsiveness. It's also important to understand when not to force updates. Automatic software updates can run background processes that temporarily reduce performance. Interrupting these updates or repeatedly restarting the system during update cycles can create lingering issues that feel permanent but are not. By now, it should be clear that performance issues are rarely random. They follow predictable patterns that you can control once you understand them. In the next part, we'll focus on connectivity-related errors, including Bluetooth instability, Apple CarPlay disconnections, and synchronization problems that affect overall system reliability.
Connectivity problems are among the most reported MBUX issues. Bluetooth dropping unexpectedly, Apple CarPlay disconnecting mid-drive, Android Auto failing to launch, or the Mercedes app not syncing properly are all symptoms of connection conflicts rather than system failure. MBUX can store multiple paired devices simultaneously, but it does not always manage priority correctly. When several devices are paired and within range, the system may continuously switch focus between them. This behavior can cause audio interruptions, delayed phone responses, and even temporary system freezes. Wireless smartphone integration increases convenience, but also complexity. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto rely on stable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth coordination. Interference, signal overlap, or previously cached pairing data can cause repeated connection failures that feel random to the user. One effective solution is resetting connection profiles in a specific order. Simply deleting a device is often not enough. MBUX retains residual pairing data that can interfere with future connections. Clearing this data properly allows the system to rebuild a clean connection profile, improving stability immediately. Another common issue involves cloud synchronization. Features like voice recognition improvement and navigation data updates depend on background data exchange. When connectivity is unstable, these services may repeatedly retry, increasing system load and causing slowdowns elsewhere. It's also worth noting that not all cables are equal. For wired connections, low quality or damaged cables can trigger repeated connection resets that affect the entire infotainment system. This can lead to broader performance issues that appear unrelated at first glance. Understanding these connection dynamics allows you to make informed decisions about which features to keep active and which to limit. In the final part of this episode, we'll explore hidden MBUX settings and subtle adjustments that can improve stability, reduce lag, and enhance daily usability.
Many Mercedes owners never explore deeper MBUX settings because they assume default configurations are optimized. In reality, MBUX is designed to accommodate a wide range of users, driving styles, and regions. This means some settings prioritize features you may not need, at the expense of performance and stability. One example is background voice activation sensitivity. While always-on voice listening improves convenience, it also consumes system resources. Adjusting this behavior can reduce random slowdowns and improve overall responsiveness. Another overlooked area is profile synchronization. MBUX allows multiple user profiles, but constant profile switching or cloud syncing can create delays. Simplifying profile usage and limiting unnecessary synchronization improves system consistency. Display behavior also plays a role. Certain visual enhancements, while subtle, increase processing demand. Reducing unnecessary transitions and animations results in a noticeably smoother interface without sacrificing functionality. Even navigation settings can affect system performance. Continuous rerouting, real-time traffic refresh, and frequent recalculations increase background load. Fine-tuning these options improves stability, especially on longer drives. These adjustments do not require special access, tools, or dealer intervention. They are part of MBUX's standard configuration options, simply hidden behind layers most drivers never explore. By applying these changes, you're not just fixing current problems, you're preventing future ones. A properly configured MBUX system remains stable longer, responds faster, and provides a better overall driving experience. In the next episode, we'll go even deeper. Episode 2 will focus on advanced hidden settings and fixes that address recurring MBUX issues most owners never fully resolve.